Did you know some animals eat their own poop? And it's not just a random gross habit? Gross. Sure. Weird. Definitely. But here's where it gets mind-blowing. For some creatures, eating poop is not only smart, it's necessary for survival. That's right. What seems repulsive to us might actually be a secret superpower in the animal kingdom. Now, before you hit pause or wrinkle your nose in disgust, stick around. Why? Because this bizarre behavior has a lot more to it than meets the eye. Whether it's a bunny nibbling its droppings, a dog acting suspiciously in the backyard, or even a baby koala munching on mom's poop, there's a wild science behind the madness. By the end of this video, you might just find yourself saying, maybe animals know something we don't. Curious? Let's dig in, pun intended. Let's get straight to the point. Why do some animals eat poop? For starters, animals don't have the same disgust reflex we humans do. To them, poop isn't just waste. It's a resource, sometimes even a lifeline. Let's break this down. 1. Recycling nutrients. Nature's way of saying, waste not, want not. Take rabbits, for example. Their digestive systems aren't exactly efficient the first time around. Their food, usually tough, fibrous plants, passes through them so quickly that they don't absorb all the nutrients. So what do? They take a second pass. They produce 2 types of droppings. One for waste and one, called cecotropes, that's packed with vitamins and nutrients. By eating these, rabbits give their bodies a second chance to absorb what they missed the first time. It's like nature's version of a multivitamin. 2. Passing on good bacteria. Now, let's talk about baby koalas. They have a very specific diet, eucalyptus leaves. But here's the catch. Eucalyptus is incredibly tough to digest and even toxic unless you have the right gut bacteria. So how do baby koalas get this essential bacteria? By eating their mom's poop. Yep, you heard that right. It's like a gut health starter pack delivered straight from mom. And they're not alone. Elephants, hippos, and even pandas sometimes eat poop. Theirs or others, to maintain healthy gut flora. Think of it as nature's probiotic yogurt, but way less appetizing. 3. Keeping the environment clean and safe. Then there's the practical side. Some animals eat poop to protect their environment. Mother elephants and hippos will eat their babies' poop to clean up and avoid attracting predators. It's not glamorous, but it's effective. 4. Dung beetles. The ultimate poop enthusiast. No conversation about poop eating would be complete without mentioning dung beetles. These little guys take poop obsession to the next level. They don't just eat it, they roll it, bury it, and use it as a cozy nursery for their larvae. For them, poop is life, literally. 5. The reasons. Of course, not every poop eater has a great excuse. Take dogs, for example. Sometimes they eat poop out of boredom, stress, or even just curiosity. Ever caught your dog in the act and thought, what on earth are you doing? Turns out, it's usually more of a behavioral quirk than a necessity. But here's the kicker. Could poop eating actually have benefits we humans haven't discovered yet? Scientists are still exploring this. What if this behavior, though gross to us, is actually a glimpse into survival strategies we've overlooked? Let's dig a little deeper. In the animal kingdom, survival often means making the most of what you have, even if that means turning waste into a resource. For herbivores in particular, tough times call for creative solutions. When food is scarce, eating poop can be the difference between life and death. It's a way to stretch limited resources to the max. Even in the lab, scientists have studied the idea of poop transplants. Yes, you heard that right, to treat certain diseases in humans. If it can work for us in a medical context, maybe animals have been onto something all along. And let's not forget evolution. In the wild, animals don't have the luxury of wasting anything. That's why you see some species turning what we consider waste into an asset. It's efficient, it's practical, and sometimes it's even genius. So there you have it. While eating poop might seem like the ultimate gross-out moment, in the animal kingdom, it's often a matter of survival, health, or even strategy. From recycling nutrients to passing on gut bacteria, what seems repugnant to us is often perfectly logical in nature. Here's a thought to leave you with. If animals can find value in what we'd never consider, what other hidden opportunities are we overlooking in life? Maybe there's a lesson here, even if it's a smelly one. What do you think? Is poop eating genius or just plain weird? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more curious takes on the wonders of the animal world. Until next time, stay curious, and maybe keep an eye on what your dog's up to in the backyard.